Today I'm going to show you how to make Quasar Science style light tubes for less than $20. Now if you aren't familiar with Quasar Science, they make LED light tubes in various lengths and sizes, and they can be used in many ways to light a scene or be used as a practical light for a cool effect. The problem is, one 4-foot multicolored Quasar light costs $600.
Jesus Christ.
Now I'm not saying the homemade version is just as good, but for less than $20, I think it's good enough. I made mine out of a 1-inch PVC pipe and a USB powered LED light that can be plugged into a wall charger or a car charger or one of these portable power banks like I have here. Now the reason I didn't use an LED light with a remote is because I don't have to worry about losing the remote. This is always here, so I always have full control of the light. And also, if you use multiple lights with the remote, they all will be controlled at the same time. And if you want each light to have a different setting or a different color, then the remote won't get the job done. As far as materials go, you need a 5-foot long PVC pipe that's 1 inch wide, 2 1-inch end caps for the PVC pipe, the actual LED strip, which I will link down below, and some aluminum tape for inside the tube. Now this is a personal preference, but for my use, I wanted the light to shine in one direction without spilling light everywhere. So I cut a 1 inch wide, 4-foot long window into the side of the pipe. And I also left 2 inches on each side of the cutout for the end caps and anything that we use to mount it. Now I'll take your aluminum tape and line the inside of the tube to help reflect the light from the LED. Cap off one end and drill a hole in the other end to slide the LED strip through. Once you have the LED strip through, go ahead and cap off the end and cut off the excess LED strip that you're going to have left over at the top. Remove the tape from the back of the LED strip and go ahead and stick it down into the aluminum tape we just applied. Now you can go ahead and plug it in and test it out. These lights are very durable, so they can get thrown around, taped to walls, you can tie them to poles or anything else that you might need to do to mount them. So for less than $20, you can make at least 30 of these before you get to the price of one Quasar tube. If you would like me to make a video on different uses or scenarios for these lights, just leave a comment down below. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, link down below, and I will see you guys next time.